All right. All right, all right, all right. What do we got? Wednesday already, man. Weeks fly. So we got another off the hip or shoot from the hip analysis because it was a late morning here at Off Grid Trading. And I don't know what the ducks are complaining about, man. They're fed, they're watered. I guess I took too long and they're just going to give me hell. It's like I got married again. So, what are we looking at? We're looking at all the wrong shit. Let's put us on a page that makes sense. There you go. Let's slide this bitch up here. And this is how we're going to do our work this morning. Just getting comfortable. Hey, while I've got your attention, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Check me out on TikTok. Let me know what you think. I haven't even looked at it. They set me up on TikTok. Tell a friend, tell a lover. Hey, tell an enemy. I'm not choosy. Couple of links in the description for you guys to ignore. So, look, pretty simple. Look at that. Nice strong move up. We had 3 good moves up. We're looking at, we're down 25 right now, and it is 707. And that's good. That's an inside bar, man. We could use a flag. You know, this is a nice move. But this move really, we got 5. That's a deuce. 950. 950 should be the move. Let's see, where does that put us? Yeah, you know, we just have these gaps out in here. Let's open this up a little bit. Work like gentlemen. That gap arguably could be closed. It's this gap right here. This might be the Christmas gap, Christmas rally. It's really only 200 points away. $950 should be the move, and that kind of puts us in the cloud, which the cloud's just indicating some congestion areas. There's a lot of like average price, a lot of ownership, a lot of action going on around in the cloud, and it's going to pose a little resistance. So we might just 100 points, 2 more days, 4 or 5 days of up days, really not uncommon. Put us at 950, 900. Yeah, we bust through a little bit. Well, if we did it today, but I don't see a catalyst to move us 100 points. That's what I'm feeling, man. So I'm bullish. I mean, obviously we have this uptrend. The momentum is trending upward, getting that little fast line 0 touch right there. Sometimes you'll see the momentum fade off once it hits that. But overall, you got to be bullish, man. You got to look to be bullish. I know the market's down a little bit. Could be setting up a flag. Long term, got to be bullish on the market. I don't see anything here that's, well, you could see the momentum tapering off as we moved into the afternoon. Good strong morning move, and then it crawled. And today's Wednesday. We've got oil. We didn't even look at the reports. Let's look real quick. See what we got. Bank. Instead of throwing it up there. Mortgages came in really light. The demand is about half of what it was a year ago. Then at 8 o'clock we have building permits. New home sales at 10 should move the market, and then 10:30 is oil. So the market's probably choppy until oil gets out of the way. And let's see if The futures give us insight. Yeah, look, the 240s are building some resistance up here, so we could watch that for a break either way. The momentum's kind of flattening out a little bit, but consolidation, you know, after a move up is not a bad idea. Again, Wednesday, very choppy day. Very choppy day. The dailies on the futures is demonstrating that bull flag. I wouldn't mind an inside day today. Momentum's very positive. I'm happy. BTC, let me guess, in a channel. Oh, look, it's at the top of that channel. Get bullish on BTC on a break of that channel. 240s would have given you a break already of their channel, and then there's a flag right there you can take, or on our second flag, you can take that too. I usually don't take the third flags. Just probabilities dictate that it's not going to run that much. But the second flag might be all right to take. And we have oil. Yeah, again, I'm neutral on oil. I think we're going to hover around this price range. I had said a while ago that this was the price, and boom, that's the price. What's going on here? Gasoline, yeah, look at that. Gas is grinding, getting into the holiday season. Yeah, this is a raping of the American people. But again, as we discussed, the majority of the rise in gas prices from the 70s to now is the tax, the gas tax. Government taxing. The rest of it is corporate, but you know, if you break it down, you would imagine that refining costs, operating costs have increased. So it doesn't seem so egregious when you break, but on the company's part, on the industry part, it's the government sucking the life out of the people. Big gov. Looking at nat gas. Oh, look at that, man. That 240 demonstrated a little bottom right there, and it's a V bottom. I think there was a gap that had it. Oh, here it is right here. Yeah, it's probably moving up to fill that gap. It'll probably do it before Friday. Nat gas likes to fill its gap. Bonds. You should expect a little bounce. I mean, the sucker has been so aggressive selling off. It's amazing. Looking at a little head and shoulders right there on a daily pattern. And it's not a classic head and shoulders. It's representing that pattern. It's showing some weakness in a bullish move, but it's not classic where it's at the end of a big run and the shoulders are textbook. It's just kind of indicating to me that I'm looking at some weakness. I don't know how aggressive to the downside that's going to be. You can see the momentum, the divergence right here. Aggressive move down, barely moved down over here. So I'm neutral to bullish on bonds. Gold. I think gold's going to go into a consolidation. Made a good support at that 1621. Bounced off of it. I think we might revisit that. The momentum is still kind of strong though on the 240. You can see the same bounce on the dailies. Slightly higher, I bet. Let's get a number. We got 621.1, 622.2. So yeah, you're getting a divergence. I mean, even if they were not on or on the nat's ass, you're getting that divergence right there. You could watch for a bounce here. I mean, really, that divergence wouldn't trigger until it breaks that high right there, that pivot high. I mean, you can get aggressive down here if you want. but it's kind of leaning towards the bull. So I'm neutral with a slight lean towards the bull. What am I doing here? Ah, there, that's what I'm doing here. Oh man, this thing failed on me. All right, so anyway, goes the last one. So that's it. We're not going to rip through all of these. So I will waste your time no longer. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and check me out at 9 o'clock when I'm streaming. Check out my TikTok. Tell a friend, tell a lover. And I'll catch you guys later.